Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you guessed it, this time I am back with a best recipe and it will be the Dhaba style paneer. So let's begin.
So now we have taken approx 250 grams of paneer and we have cut it into a small cubes. Now we will add a tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of red chili powder. We will add salt to it according to our taste. Now we will add the kasturi methi leaves, finely crush on your palm and mix it. We will add the coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Now we will mix the spices over the cubes of the paneer. Now our paneer is ready. Now we'll heat the pan and we'll apply 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now we will grill the paneer cubes over the pan. Now our paneer is ready. Now in the same pan we will make gravy. So we have added refined oil and also 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add half tablespoon of cumin seeds. Now we will add the finely chopped onions. Fry till it's slightly brown. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Now we will cook it. Add tomato puree to it. I have taken 2 tomatoes for making the puree. Now we will add salt according to our taste. Now we will cover it and we will cook it for approx 15 minutes. Cook it on medium to high flame and stir in between of it. Now our tomato is cooked and we'll add the another ingredients to it. Now we will add finely chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of cumin and pepper powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon red chili powder. Mix it very well and cook it. Add coriander leaves. Here I am adding Everest meat masala. It's optional. Cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes on a medium flame. Now you all can see our masala has been cooked. We will add water to it. You can add more water if you want. Cover it with the lid and let it boil. You can see oil has been separated. Our gravy is now ready and we will add the paneer. Here again I am adding a little bit of kasturi methi. Add 4 to 5 slit green chili. Cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes. Add half tablespoon of garam masala powder and coriander leaves. Now our dhawa style paneer is ready. If you like, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.